Hey everybody, just wanted to let you know what you have in store this week. In addition to your assignments that you see here, your regular weekly assignment plan and 2 assignments, and then also the highly effective Teen Live class. You don't have to attend that on Thursday. I'm just going to make a recording for you just to see how things are going. So if you want to come, I'd love to see you. I know that I told you there would be no more live classes for Thursday, but we didn't have class yesterday, so we're going to have it on Thursday instead. So hopefully you'll make it. And then finally, I'll give you participation points if you do all the lessons. And then a reminder, a little something different here. There's only 2 weeks left in the school year. Can you believe it? So I've also put week 19 folder. That's next week. If you want to go ahead and work ahead, you certainly may. Might be a little difficult to have a complete assignment list, so you might not be able to do the first assignment, but I think your courses will be pretty light for the end, for the last week of the school year. But there it is. If you want to get a jump start on next week, you certainly may. Just open this folder, and you will see everything in it is open and ready for you to do, including these Q4 test. In the virtual class on Monday, we will go over the study guide, but the study guide is in there, the document. So if you just want to go ahead and work on that yourself, you absolutely may do that to help prepare you for the Q4 test. Just want to give you a heads up so that you can work ahead and make things a little easier for you the last week of school. And then just a little reminder up here at the top of the page, you'll see that we have MAPS testing going on this week. Reading is tomorrow, and Thursday is math, Friday is science, and we will be in the drop-in center every day from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. so that you can come and take those assessments for the last time this year. And you will get 50 extra credit points in your reading, math, and science class. So that's awesome. I look forward to seeing you there. That's where I'll be tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, in addition to grading everything. So have a wonderful end to your school year. I can't believe it's almost summer. And I'll see you later.